Welcome, today I'll show you how to turn on Hey Google option into a OPPO Reno 7. Firstly, open Google application. Then in the top right corner we got our Google icon, so tap it and choose settings. Then go into voice, and here we got voice match. And now tap here on the switcher to activate your Hey Google. Now you need to give access to your assistant, tap next, and I agree. And now we must say OK Google, OK Google, OK Google, and tap finish. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.